My name is Anthony Mudhungu. I'm the CEO and co-founder of TOTOSCI. So in my house, I had 6 USB cables, but none was working despite being new. With the help of a friend, I was able now to study these USB cables. We saw a deliberate mistake, if I may say, done to all these products so that they cannot last longer. TOTOSCI manufactures mobile USB chargers locally for Android and iOS devices, all coming with a guaranteed service of up to 1 year. According to Communications Authority of Kenya, by September 2022, Kenya had 32 million active mobile phones. In every 5 mobile phone owners, 2 if not 3 replaces their USB chargers at least twice per year. This gives us approximately 8,000 metric tons of USB chargers that are disposed in form of electronic waste. Our products helps eliminate or reduce amount of electronic waste. We also help by manufacturing quality and durable USB chargers as compared to those already existing in the market. The future of TOTOSCI is to be a mobile phone manufacturing company and its associated accessories. As it stands today, the capacity is only between 500 to 800 pieces per day, and this is because most of the work is done manually, and we need now to automate that. With the additional grant, we'll be able now to increase production further, add an additional injection molding machine, add an additional shredding machine, acquire more machinery so that we're able now to at least have a capacity of 5,000 pieces per day. The whole thing about the sustainability of the business became more clear after the ISHOW judges gave the ideas and then supplemented what we have, and our sustainability roadmap for this project is better than before. It's all what an innovator requires, and ISHOW is the home of the innovators.